Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw Worldcoin to GCash. First, open your World app and go to your wallet. Look for Worldcoin. To move it to GCash, we first need to send it to Binance. Copy your Binance deposit address for WLD, go back to the World app, paste that address and send your WLD to Binance. Wait for the transfer to complete. Once the WLD arrives in your Binance wallet, we need to convert it to USDT. In Binance, go to Trade. Then choose Convert. Select WLD as the coin you want to convert, and USDT as the coin you want to receive. Confirm the transaction. Next, we will sell USDT for Philippine Peso. Open Binance, go to Trade, then Sell and select USDT to PHP. Enter the amount of USDT you want to sell, then confirm. Your balance will now show in PHP. Below that, you will see an option to transfer it to GCash. That is the full process of withdrawing Worldcoin to GCash. Thanks for watching.